Welcome back. Well, if you've been hearing more about turmeric lately, you're not imagining things. I actually had no idea what it is, but the spice is a rising star in the cooking world.
Yeah.
I gotta step it up.
You really do. It has a surprising amount of health benefits, and Susan Mills-Gray, nutrition professor from the MU Extension, shared some of those with me. I love this spice. It's so bright.
Yes, you told me that you use it quite frequently. Well, turmeric has been around for centuries, and it's been known for a long time to have medicinal purposes. And so what we want to focus on today are what are really some of those health benefits, and how easy is this to put into your diet. So as you can see, this is a beautiful spice.
Yeah,
it has that
gorgeous.
deep, rich orange color.
Like
and
curry.
Well, curry, a lot of people think that turmeric and curry are the same thing, and they're not.
Okay.
Curry is actually a mixture of spices, which turmeric is one of the main ingredients.
Oh, interesting.
And so that's where curry really gets a lot of its beautiful color. But they're not, so they're not technically interchangeable, but turmeric is one of the, like I said, the main spices in curry.
Okay.
Now, I always tell people that you know where nutrition is because it always is where color is. And so let's talk about some of the health benefits.
Okay.
Now, one of the things that I think people might find interesting is turmeric is actually a root, and it's a member of the ginger family. So you can buy it as a root and peel it and use it just sort of freshly cut, like we would a ginger
They have that in
root.
the grocery store?
Yes.
Okay.
Now probably you'll need to go to a larger grocery store that has a larger variety than maybe your local mom and pop store. And or you can buy it in a powdered form, and that's perfectly fine. Either one are healthy.
Okay.
So what are some of the health benefits? First of all, we know that it greatly reduces overall cholesterol, so your total cholesterol count as well as bad cholesterol, which that helps ward off heart attacks and strokes.
Okay.
Second, the research is very clear that if you are pre-diabetic and you will add turmeric to your diet, you can delay the onset of diabetes, type 2 diabetes. The third one that I think is really interesting is the fact that those who are going through cancer treatment, if they will add turmeric to their diet, they will see a slowing progression of tumor development as well as the shrinkage of the tumor. And we also know that it can kill cancer cells.
Wow, what a powerful spice.
Very powerful.
Oh my goodness.
And then probably one of the other ones that's really important to most people is Alzheimer's. And we know that those who have the highest intake of turmeric actually can delay the onset of dementia.
That's
and
incredible.
if they do have Alzheimer's, it can actually slow the progression down.
Are there any things we need to be careful about?
Yes. Turmeric will slow blood clotting down, so if you are taking medications for blood consistency, you need to talk to your care provider. I always encourage everyone, before you get really carried away with any what we call natural medicinal property, make sure you talk to your care provider because there are some medication interactions. So keep that in mind. And just real quickly, I wanted to share with everyone today, there's lots of easy ways to put this in your diet. You can use it in teas, you can use it in main dishes, but this is a fun way to do it. You're going to start with a half a cup of ice. You're going to use 1 orange, 1 carrot, some frozen mango, a little bit of chia seed, a pinch of cayenne, and a pinch of salt. And I use low sodium salt, the light salt, and a half a cup to 2/3 cup of coconut water. You're going to blend that in your blender, make a smoothie.
It looks
and you've
delicious.
got a tropical smoothie.
Should we
so
try it?
Now it's not really sweet, so if you want it a little sweeter, you could put a dash of honey or just a little bit of some other natural sweetener.
It's delicious, and I love that kick of cayenne, but it's not like overpowering.
No, it's not, and so it's just a little different, but it's a great, easy way to start your day with turmeric and know that you're going to get those wonderful benefits. And the other thing I want to tell real quickly, where do all those health benefits come from? It's actually the active ingredient in turmeric, and it's called curcumin.
So interesting. Susan, thanks so much.
You're
Cheers.
welcome. Cheers.
The turmeric. That smoothie was so good.
I gotta try that. You know what I also want to try is that apple cider vinegar. You do that, right?
You haven't tried that?
No, no one's told me about this stuff. Why don't you text me and tell me?
That's like 10 years ago.
Why didn't you text me?
I'm bringing some in tomorrow.
I want to try it, yeah.